So here's my another video which starts with the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to see that how can we solve the story control problem or the story problem. Basically the story is not able to be seen in others accounts. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay guys, so first let's quickly open our Instagram app, and once we open that, you will see an profile option on the bottom right corner. Then you need to select that, and once you go there in your profile, you just need to select the three dots which are present on the top right corner, and then search for story control option. So once you select that, you will see many options: hide story from, allow message replies, saving, and some more options. We just need one option, that is hide story from. So once you select that option, if your account is private, the story will be hidden from many people, means many followers will be selected in hide story from option, like now you are seeing. So you just need to unselect them all, means the story will not be hidden from them. Now onwards, the story will be shown to every follower which you have unselected. This is only the basically solution of the problem. If your followers are not able to see your story, now they will be able to see your stories. So guys, this is it for the video. I really hope that you like the solution, and if you like the video, please hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.